Do not forget to claim your cashback if you are using Agoda to book hotels or flights. And do you know that Agoda has this cashback rewards program where it allows you to claim a portion of money back for any booking for hotels or for flights. Last time I forgot to claim all this cashback and that's why I lost so much money. And for you, do not forget to claim all this because it's going to be a huge amount of money if you pile up. So let's just dive in and just walk through the website one by one to check it out. What are those cashbacks and how do you claim it? As you can see now, we are at the Agoda website. So this is actually the Bangkok. You can just place anywhere you want to go. So I just put Bangkok here in case. With the date, everything. You see there's this hotel here. And you see some hotels, right? There are some cashback rewards to the ringgit. And some doesn't have the cashback rewards. So if it's possible, try to choose those with cashback rewards. Like for example, Sunrun Palace Hotel. Okay, I try to click it and see and look at the deals. Alright, you see there's a cashback reward and it mentions about how much is the cashback rewards. But here's the catch. Cashback will be available for redemption 60 days after checkout. Request cashback before it expires. Okay, that's very important. That's why I lose out because I forgot to claim before the expiry date. And that is such a pity. You look at my email, there's like for example, this some of my former email that your cashback rewards is expiring in 14 days. And you look at the expiry date, 25th of October last year, and I miss it, I did not claim it. So what will happen? Agoda platform, you will see that there's a cashback rewards here and on this session. But you see that there's expired. Take a look at this. Man, a few pages here where I forgot to claim all this money. So expiry dates on 25th of October, I forgot to claim. You see there's a huge amount of money, 16 US dollars. And once you requested to process or claim the cashback, you will see that it's processing depending on the hotel. So some hotels offer a high cashback. It will be requested, and this is actually details. It has a frequently asked questions. Where will I get cashback rewards and processing? And once available, it will directly send back to your credit cards that you use for booking. Okay, that's a wonderful deal, isn't it? I didn't remember that I forgot to claim all this. That's why I lost so much money. Okay, there's a huge amount of money here. And that's why please do not forget to claim. This is such a wonderful deal, the cashback before it expires. So that's all for this video. If you are interested in the content like this, please don't forget to subscribe me so that I can make more content like this to share my tips on how I travel overseas or how I study overseas. So I'll see you again on the next video. Bye!